Chemical action experiments. Oh, that's still there. When gold is put in water, there is no action. This is good. Your mum would hate it if when she washed her hands, her gold ring disappeared into the water, dissolving like sugar. Dissolving is how to say dissolving. There is no action when a gold ring is put in acids. This is also good. Your mum would hate it if a gold ring dissolved in citric acid from oranges. Yes, peel an orange, lose your gold ring, not good. Citric. The juice of oranges, lemons and limes all have citric acid. So they are all called citrus fruits. Citrus. Use some pliers to cut the electrical wires of an unplugged, broken electrical machine. Electrical. Yes, always if you're going to do anything with electrical things, make sure they're unplugged first and then they're safe. While they're plugged into the wall, you can get electric shocks. Unplug them first. The plastic cable stops electricity getting to you. Cable. Inside the cable is lots of thin copper wires. Yes, usually the outside cable is white, sometimes black. Electrons flow through copper wires when something is turned on. When copper is put in water, the action is so slow we say that copper is not reactive. Yes, just like gold, copper's not reactive. Put copper wires in water, air, citric acid and vinegar to see what happens in a week. Citric acid and vinegar have lots of water, so they are called dilute acids. Dilute. Yes, you should get bubbles after about a week. Maybe. Acids in less water are more dangerous. They are called concentrated acid. Concentrated. Citric acid and vinegar are weak acids because only 1 in 200 of the possible hydrogen ions are in the water. Your stomach has strong acid. Oh yes, don't put copper in your stomach, it will dissolve. Strong concentrated acid. In fact, don't eat copper because it scratches all the inside of your alimentary canal, your stomach insides, your small intestines. Don't eat copper. The strong concentrated acids in your stomach is made of hydrogen and chlorine atoms. Chlorine. Your stomach acid is called hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric. Every hydrogen makes a hydrogen ion in hydrochloric acid. Yes, so it's at least 200 times stronger than vinegar or citric acid. Even hydrochloric acid is not reactive enough to react with copper. Well, a little bit, maybe get bubbles. Get 2 drawing pins, 2 paper clips, and a fridge magnet. Drawing pins are called thumbtacks in the USA. Check the fridge magnet attracts the drawing pins and the paper clips. This proves that drawing pins and paper clips are made of iron. Iron. Yes! So the only things that are attracted to magnets are iron, nickel, and cobalt. Nickel is in the coins called nickels in America, and also in the brown coins and the silvery coins in England and rest of the world. Lots of nickel in coins because nickel's durable, strong, fab stuff. Cobalt, not used very much. Not in anything in your home, probably. Iron is in lots of stuff because iron's so cheap. We use iron in your knives and forks as stainless steel, so it's got carbon in it to make it steel, and also nickel and chromium to make it stainless so it won't stain. Your car is made out of steel, iron with a little bit of carbon. Bridges and houses have steel rods in them to make them stronger. Yeah, lots of steel. Anything attracted towards a magnet in your house is liable to be steel, unless it's a coin, in which case tiny amounts. I'm not sure that nickels actually will attract to magnets. You have to have very strong magnets. They are made of a mixture of 90% iron and 1% carbon. that makes the alloy called steel. Alloy. Scratch one of the drawing pins and one of the paper clips with a nail file or sandpaper. Yeah, your mum might have a nail file you can borrow. Put the thumbtacks and paper clips on a plate and put a drop of freshly squeezed fruit juice on each one. Or you can use vinegar, works the same. Check what happens every day for a week. If the scratches were deep enough and the fruit was fresh enough, you should see some brown rust. Salt water also makes iron rust, but it takes longer. Iron reacts with weak, dilute acids when the protective layer is scratched off. Iron is above hydrogen in the reactivity series. Yeah, that's why you paint cars. You don't have cars with no paint on them, otherwise they'll rust. Reactivity. Copper does not react with acids because hydrogen is above copper in the reactivity series. Cool! Did you spot the one deliberate mistake? Send me a message. Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!